I born in India. I born and raised there. I got here when I was 21. I got here in 2004 in December. So then I worked for few different places. I used to drive truck. My brother drive it for about 8 years. Then I got into restaurants. I was working as a chef in St. Louis, Missouri for a while. Then we decided to open our own. So one day my brother, he drove by here and he saw the sign for lease and he just called the broker, and that's how we set it up, and there's nobody to compete, so that's how we open it. I wasn't by myself, my brother was not by himself, so we were both together, so that's helped a lot, you know. I love cooking. Even here I try to cook something different every single day. We didn't plan it out, you know, when we got here, we planned it like I think 4 years ago, like we're gonna open our own. So actually everything's in the menu is the best, you know, everything is good. But there's a few dishes that we're known for, like butter chicken and chicken tikka masalas in vegetable korma, palak paneer, malai kofta, and all the appetizers are good. All the grilled dishes are good. Lamb, I would say lamb korma is one of the best lamb dish we have. We have lunch buffet every single day, 11 to 2:30. Usually 4 vegetables and about 2 chicken, then bread, rice, and salad and dessert and stuff. We're opening up another one in Sioux City. Should be this summer. Yeah, there's a construction going on now. Yeah, we are located on Shirley Avenue, right behind the Home Depot, on west side of the town. Our phone number is 605-361-5050. We do have a Facebook page, and our website is www.shahipalaceinc.com.